Hello, this is Bharat. So today we are going to discussing about linear algebra operations in ML. So in the last video we have done on the linear algebra introduction part for machine learning and deep learning. So let us discuss about what are the different kind of operations we are using, the data, how the data is going to be represented in machine learning అనేది చూద్దాం. So first you can take scalar vector operation ఎలా జరుగుతుంది. Scalar vector, scalar already we know the scalar. Scalar is usually type of a numerical value. The vector is a type of series of scalars or series of elements. So now 2 is multiplied with the elements which are there in the vector. So now this is the way of how the scalar vector operations will be done uh, by using the data or which of the data is available when you are working with the ML or deep learning. Second, vector operations. Vector operations can be done element wise. So the vector, if you want to perform uh, addition operation for two vectors, vector A and vector B, so we can do A plus B. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, and 4 plus 3, 7. So vector addition will be done, and vector subtraction we can do. At the same time, vector multiplication, you can see here vector multiplication is discussed here, 2 into 1 and 3 into 2 and 4 into 3. So this is the vector multiplication. So the same time, vector product, dot product, if you want to perform, dot product is a, after multiplying each element, then we have to add all the dot product elements multiplication. X dot y equal to 1 into 4, 2 into 5, and 3 into 6. So this is the vector dot product. So these are the different kind of operations we can able to perform the machine learning or deep learning based on the data which is available. So next, matrix operations. We all are already familiar with the matrix operations. So this is also element wise operations will be done. So these all will be useful for the deep learning and the neural networks machine learning training process. So matrix addition will be, and matrix subtraction, and matrix multiplication, matrix division, transpose also we can do, and the matrix inverse also we can perform. So these already we know we have knowledge how matrix operations will be done in mathematics. So the same process will be continued here also based on the data which is available, right? So finally, the tensor operations. Here the tensor is a new thing, including scalar, vector, and tensor matrix. So this is the generalization of the scalar, vector, and matrix. So this is a multi-dimensional view. Whatever the data is available, so that will be represented in terms of tensor. And if you want to perform the tensor operations, the same thing we can do, addition of two sensors and multiplication of two sensors, subtraction of two sensors, and the same we can do matrix లో ఎలాగైతే చేసాము, వెక్టర్ లో ఎలాగైతే చేసాము, సో టెన్సర్ లో కూడా we can able to perform. But we have to remember that tensor operation is of three-dimensional, multi-dimensional. So in our example, it is a array they are taking. It is a multi-dimensional array, 3 by 3 matrix or 3 by 3 tensor operations. So let us see here, it is array A and array B. So if you want to perform the addition operation of these two tensors, so we have to take element wise. So this is one tensor and this is one, A from 1, B from, so we have to calculate 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, and 6. Similarly 8, 10, 12, and 14, 16, 20, 18. So in that direction we can able to perform tensor operations, addition of tensors, and subtraction of tensors, and multiplication of tensors. So It's all about the different kind of operations, linear algebra operations we can perform. So while you are using developing or training the model in the deep learning or the machine learning. So this is the mathematical part, right? So the last video we have already introduced what are the operation, what are the scalar, what is called scalar, vector, and matrix and tensor. If anybody not seen, you can go back to the description. The link is provided, so we can see all the videos related to the neural networks and deep learning. And so this is the information. Let us see discuss more on this in the next video. Thank you all.